Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the certification course for generative AI in the pharmacovigilance. So basically there are integration of the artificial intelligence in different field, and here in the healthcare also it is happened. So in the R&D, maybe in the drug discovery process, that artificial intelligence used for selection of the molecule, the chemical, where we are doing the researches. And even in the clinical trial simulation and different activities are there where artificial intelligence is used. And now in the pharmacovigilance also, in the ICSR, in the signal detection, that artificial intelligence is definitely used. Even there are different terminologies like text summarization, content grounding, content translation. Here mostly artificial intelligence also used. And even like you need to know the machine learning, you need to know the deep learning, you need to know the artificial intelligence and generative artificial intelligence. Everything is covered in our this certification course. So let's get started how you will get this course and what are the different topics covered. Let's get started. So here I will first share you all the topics which is covered. The first module contains introduction of the artificial intelligence and machine learning, and then deep learning. Then class 2 module 2 contains percentage use of the artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance, then role of algorithm, then data processed by artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance. Then class number 3, artificial intelligence used in the ICSR, artificial intelligence used in the signal detection. Then class number 4, introduction of generative AI, then benefits and areas of generative AI. Class number 5, chain of thoughts in generative AI, then business analysis by generative AI, text summarization, text translation and narrative writing by the generative AI. And the last one, it covers pharmacovigilance operational workflow, then good documentation practice, generative AI integration, FDA regulation guidelines, and the regulatory compliances. So here all things are covered, whatever required for the fresher to enter into the industry. So here the benefits of this course is, first you will get the certification of the participation from our academy, and secondly you will get information about the artificial intelligence with the generative AI both in the same course. And this will be definitely helpful because most of the MNC companies are required right now the certification for that AI or generative AI in the pharmacovigilance. Okay, so this will definitely help you for the shortlisting as well. So how you can enroll for this? So for this reason you need to download our application. The link is given in the description. Otherwise you can just fill the Google form given in the description. Our executive will help you. If you wish to know more about this, you can call to this number or visit our website as well. Okay, so the cost for this course is 199, very simple price, so that our motto that everyone can take the benefits of this course. So you can take the benefits. So I hope this will definitely help you, our course, for get to know about the how artificial intelligence useful in the pharmacovigilance. And in the coming sessions also I will describe about the interviews question related to the artificial intelligence as well. So if you like this content, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. All the best.